Hey y'all, welcome to Dora's Garden once again, and if this is your first time, welcome. So in today's video I will be showing you how I achieve a blowout. Now, just a side note, my kids got to my blow dryer and they accidentally broke the comb to my blow dryer. Okay, can you guess how upset I was? But it's all good. That's what happens when you have kids. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I'll still be using the blow dryer, and then I will be using a plastic brush. This is the best brush that I have out of all of the collection of brushes. And then also I'll be using two new products. Okay, the first one is Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. So I'm really excited to use this. I'll be first applying this as my leave-in, and then I will be further heat protecting my hair with this Treseme Keratin Smooth with Marula oil. Look at that. So my hair has been thoroughly cleansed, deep conditioned, and now I am looking styled. If you're interested in seeing how I blow dry my tresses, please keep on watching. But before you do, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Okay, welcome to the fam. I would love to have you, and press that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a future video. All right, let's get into this video. So my lovelies, you want to start off by sectioning your hair off into quads. Alright, it just makes the process easier. Okay, and then you're going to divide that into subsections one time, or maybe I would say one or two subsections. It's more easier. And so you want to make sure that you moisturize each section, okay, and thoroughly detangle the section once you put your leave-in conditioner, and then add your heat protecting spray. And then what I like to do is to start off by, it smells so good. But I like to start off by doing the tension method, which means you just pull your hair taut and you just run the blow dryer up and down your strands to kind of give it a stretch without using any type of comb or brush. You know, you just, it's a quick way to stretch your hair. And then once I feel that my hair has been stretched out, then I go in with the detangling brush and I do the same thing a few times. And so as you can see, I don't have the blow dryer directly on my hair. I like to have it at least 1 or 2 inches away, just so my hair doesn't overheat. And as you can see, using this method, I didn't see any type of smoke. I know sometimes when I use the comb attachments, I see smoke coming out, and that's because of, you know, the blow dry being close to your strands on top of whatever product that you use. And also, the setting that I chose to use was medium heat. I don't like to use high heat, and so this is what works best for my hair. So yes y'all. So I just hope that you continue to enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. today's video. I must say, with this combination, my hair feels very soft and smooth and very light, feather-like. I must say that I am impressed with the results, given the fact that the comb attachment to my blow dryer was broken, and so I had to improvise by using the detangling brush. So here's a close-up of how smooth. See it shine. So yes, y'all. Let me know how you guys blow dry your hair. How do you achieve your blowout? Yes, it's detangled. I mean, it's super soft. Like with the other products that I've used in the past, it usually feels a little bit more weighed down, greasy, but this combination, it feels moisturized. It doesn't feel like rough. But yes. So that completes today's video, my lovelies. I'll see you in my next one. Glow and let your fro grow.